In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Hostinger recovery code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your browser and going to the Hostinger hPanel login page. Sign in with the account credentials you normally use. If you use a password manager, now is a good time to let it fill in your username and password so you avoid typing errors. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main dashboard where all your hosting and account options are displayed. Look for your profile icon in the top area of the dashboard and click on it. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal account controls. After the profile menu opens, select Account Information. That area holds basic details about your account and serves as the gateway to security settings. Within Account Information, find and click on Security. The Security section groups together everything related to protecting access to your account, including login protection and two-factor authentication features. Take a moment to review the options available, but focus on the two-factor authentication settings if your goal is to retrieve recovery codes. Click on Two-Factor Authentication Setup. Inside the 2FA settings, you'll see how authentication is currently configured and where recovery codes are managed. Recovery codes are one-time use codes provided as a backup in case you lose access to your primary two-factor method. They are essential because they let you regain access without having to go through account recovery tickets. Locate the recovery code section and follow the on-screen prompt to view or download them. Hostinger will typically display a set of codes you can copy or save. Treat these codes like a spare key. Don't leave them in plain text on your desktop and don't share them. If you use the email authentication method, make sure that it's active and that your email account is secure and accessible. After you retrieve the codes, write them down or save them in a secure place. Best practices include storing them in a reputable password manager, a locked physical safe, or an encrypted note. Avoid screenshots or unencrypted cloud notes. Before you finish, double-check that everything is saved and that you can still access your primary two-factor method. If you follow these steps, you'll have a set of recovery codes ready to use if you ever need them. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like.